In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a free YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. But before we get started, on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and easily without any fluff. So if you could please hit that subscribe button, it would really help me out. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is come over to the website canva.com and you're going to create a free account here on Canva. Once you've created a free account, you'll come to the search box and you're going to type in thumbnail. Okay, and you're going to click on YouTube thumbnail and you're going to get a list of templates here. A massive amount of thumbnails for templates for thumbnails. Go try and say that 10 times fast. Templates for thumbnails. Okay, so in here you can just go ahead and edit them. So let's find one of them here and I'm just going to edit it quickly. So this one here, very easy to edit as well, but there is one that I like. Let's see if I can find it here. No, can't seem to find it. Okay, I'm just going to, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to grab the first one here and we're going to just edit it really quickly. So we click into it, then we go to customize this template. And once this is loaded up, it gives you a drag and drop editor to be able to edit this template for thumbnails. There, we got it that time. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's say the video is about how to create. Oh, that didn't work. So we're just going to drag this to make it a little bit bigger, and we also have to drag the background. Let's grab that background. How to create thumbnails, and click in here for YouTube. Boom. So we're done, and we can also get rid of this guy and put someone else in here. So you would click on him and you would click on delete, and you can put your own image in there if you want, or you can put any image that you want to put in there. So that's how you do it, guys. Super simple thumbnails that convert really highly, and you get the templates for these thumbnails and you just edit them as you want. Then when you want to download them, you go to share, you go to download, and then you go to download from here. Okay, so that is how you do them. And then when you're creating and uploading your video to YouTube, you would just put this into the section that says thumbnails. And this gets a higher click-through rate, and with getting a higher click-through rate also makes your YouTube video more visible, gets it more traffic and all that kind of stuff, all that good stuff on YouTube. Now, here's a quick little way that you can make money by doing this. If you come over to Fiverr.com and you're just going to go into thumbnails. So I'm just going to type in thumbnails here, and you're going to see a list of people that sell these on Fiverr. So if we take a look at the first person here, they say a Black Ops thumbnail. I'm not sure what that is. It's like a computer game, I think. But if we look at this person here, YouTube thumbnail, they've got over 1,000 4.9 star reviews, and they're charging $11 or 11 euros for their thumbnail. So they've probably sold like 5,000, maybe up to 10,000 of these thumbnails, and they've made a fortune, a small fortune by doing these thumbnails. So you can mimic their gig and upload it yourself, and you can make money with this. Now, then when you get an order, you just come over to Canva, you use one of their templates, you edit it as the customer wants, and then you upload that to the customer and you close the sale, and that's it, done. So that's how you would make money by selling these YouTube thumbnails. So you can either make them for yourself for your own videos, but as a side hustle, you can sell them to people on Fiverr. So that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.